Hi guys. Offers are one of the ways to make money that many MMO makers are doing. In today's video, I will introduce to you a very reputable website that makes offers to make money, which is FreeCash. Many of you have heard of FreeCash but still don't know how to make money here, so let's watch my video. FreeCash is an online money-making website, providing offers from many different parties in the market. To earn money, you need to choose offers and do the activities required by the provider, such as completing surveys, downloading apps, registering an account. To receive bonuses. The bonus level depends on each party, usually from $1 to $3 per offer. FreeCash's interface is quite simple and easy to follow. Next, I will guide you how to register for a FreeCash account and how to make money here. I will create an account on Hide My Ac profiles. This method will help you create many different accounts on the same device without being detected and is convenient to manage. Please visit freecash.com. To register for an account, click Sign Up. Creating an account here is very easy. You can use Mailn to register. After entering your email and password, click Sign Up to complete. FreeCash will give each new account 5 cents as a welcome gift. You can spin prizes to receive more free coins. However, you need to verify your account first. FreeCash will send you a verification email to Mailn. Just go there and press Verify and you're done. There will be 4 spin bonus levels of $250, $2.50, 25 cents, 5 cents. Please enter the free code and press Open Case to draw the prize. To be honest, I've tested hundreds of accounts, all of which only cost 5 cents. If you receive $250, please show it off to everyone. If you want to continue recording, you have to wait 2 more days and each account only has 3 free claims like this. You can follow FreeCash's Twitter or download the app to receive additional rewards. This is the amount of money you currently have. FreeCash has many ways to withdraw money such as via PayPal, Bitcoin, stake or gift cards from Amazon, Visa, Google Play, Apple, Netflix. Anyone who plays the game can exchange it for character skins in CS:GO, League of Legends. Okay. The condition to withdraw money is that you must have 2,000 coins and reach level 2. The conversion level for this site is 1,000 coins equivalent to $1. To find offers, click on Earn. The Feature Offers section will display the offers with the most participation. Partner offers with Partner Survey are offers from FreeCash's partners. I see there are stars here, the highest is 5 stars. I don't know if this is due to player ratings or the level of difficulty/reward amount received. If you know, please comment below to help me. The offers section will be divided into categories such as account registration, game downloads, app downloads. To select bets made on PC, you just need to click to remove Android and iOS. You can also filter by popularity or bonus level. I will demo how you can make money from making offers on FreeCash. You click on an offer. Here will display description information about that offer as well as the bonus level you receive. Click More Information to get more information about the status, offer type and provider of this offer. Click on Earn and you will be redirected to the offers page. This is a type of survey, you just need to complete the survey to receive a reward. However, you don't have to just fill in the information haphazardly. If you are not the target customer group that the supplier is aiming for, you may only receive a few consolation coins. So to earn money on FreeCash, you have to work hard and do research to see which one is okay. If you want to create a large number of FreeCash accounts to claim many free coins and test many different offers, just use Hide My Ac like me. I will put each account in a different profile. You should add a proxy to change the IP for these accounts too. Creating an account on FreeCash is very simple, so you are mainly interested in how to raise and manage these accounts. Above, I have just introduced to you FreeCash, the most reputable offer site today. The more offers you make, the more bonuses you will receive. Thank you for watching the entire video. Hope you can earn many good bets from FreeCash. See you again in the next videos.